In this video, I will show you how to set an end date in Google Ads. To do this, just gonna open up Google Ads and in the left menu, go to Campaigns, click on the Campaigns dropdown and there also click Campaigns. Here you will find all of your campaigns. Now just go to the campaign that you want to set an end date for. So I will use this one and then on that campaign click Edit Settings. Now from within your settings, you want to gonna scroll down a little bit until you see Start and End Dates under Other Settings. So gonna click Start and End Dates. And now here under End Date, gonna take this circle right here and then select a date. So just set it to whatever date you want it to end and then click Save. And now it should say start date, whatever it started on, and end date, whatever you just set it to. So that's how you can set an end date in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.